Hello everyone! Are you wondering what deepfake means? Let's explore. Deepfake refers to digitally altered media, particularly videos, where artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques are used to create highly realistic but fake images or videos of people. Deepfakes can manipulate faces, voices, and movements, making it appear as though someone is saying or doing something they never actually did. While the technology behind deepfakes can be used creatively, it has also raised significant ethical concerns, particularly when used to create misleading or harmful content, such as fake news, non-consensual explicit videos, or political propaganda. The term is a blend of deep learning, a type of AI, and fake, highlighting the advanced nature of the technology involved. In essence, a deepfake is about using sophisticated digital tools to create convincing but false representations of people, raising questions about trust, authenticity, and the potential for misuse in media. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.